Hey fellas and fellarettes, look, I've been working out of town. I'm about to head home. Got a 4-hour ride to get home, but my buddy Nick called and he got something that I've been looking at and I want to check it out. It's the Ozark Trail little propane heaters. They're kind of like the Mr. Buddy heaters, and I want to go check it out because if this thing's as good as I think it is, yeah, for hunting, camping, and outdoor stuff, these little heaters, the little buddy heaters, are great. But this heater is supposed to be a higher BTU rating. And, well, y'all come along with me. Let's see what we got. Sorry for the shaky video. I'm trying to do this safely while driving. See you in a minute. Y'all, we over at my buddy Nick's house. Y'all remember Nick? Remember this? To get this car cranked. Handle belts, we're using a piece of nylon rope. Give her a whirl, Nick. Here's Brother Ronald. Say howdy, Ronald.
Hello.
This is Nick once again, and he bought an Ozark Trail portable camping heater, 10,000 BT.
Yeah, so we actually went down to Walmart, and I've been checking on these for a few months now. But this was the only one they had, and even though I scanned it, they said they didn't have any in stock because I was going to get more than one. But here we are, so we're going to check it out.
Good, let's check it out.
Let's see. Don't need them.
That looks like my unboxing. Oh, that's about the easiest unboxing in the history, man.
Ta-da!
Since that was the easiest unboxing in the history of mankind, we're going to compare it to a little buddy, too. Mr. Heater. That right, little buddy?
I'm a little buddy.
You're going to screw on a bougie Coleman.
Brand hammer new, cuz. Brand hammer new.
I'm curious to see how this thing performs at 59 bucks.
Watch it blow up in my face.
Nah, it ain't going to blow it.
Look at that.
A lot less expensive than that.
Just folds right on in there.
Let's see what she does.
Probably should
One eternity later.
have read those instructions, huh?
No, I don't need no instructions. Ain't got no gas. Let's try it
See
again.
what happens.
Oh!
Hey, oh.
Have flamage.
Might work if I don't let go of it, huh?
Alright. Look at Jack.
We'll put it on low. Let it burn the stank off to start with.
It'll be pretty handy out here today. It's kind of cold.
Yeah. You can see the flame wafting across the front of it.
It's wafting.
Wafting.
Poetically wafting.
Basking in the ambience.
Say that again.
Basking in the ambience. Look at there. It's cute. It's like, you should call it Ghostbusters now.
That's the Ghostbuster heater. Get some heat out here because Brother Ronald's sick. Poltergeist.
Oh, static TV. See the girl from The Ring coming out through the cage.
No, don't say that. Samara really messed my world up. Doom, doom, doom. That's set on low. Man, that thing's already throwing heat out.
I ain't done rolled my nose hair up.
She's all oranged out. We're gonna try the rollover feature, see if it turns off. And yep.
How about that?
That'll keep it safe around the little baby. There we go.
Oh, she's angry. Sounds like my wife. You know why they made this in green?
Why?
So the deer can't see it in the woods.
Somebody had to go find the instructions.
It's going to take me longer to read it than it was to find it.
All right, both heaters are percolating. They're warming each other up.
Oh, there it is. Okay. So the Ozark Trail is 5,500 on low, and it's 10,000 on high. The little Mr. Buddy, and it's not little, it's cute.
Yeah, we don't want to offend nobody.
Yeah, everybody's little. It's 4,000 on low and 9,000 on high. So they're pretty close to tit for tat.
Mm-hmm.
But the green looks better.
I agree.
It just looks like an old camping heater.
Mm-hmm.
Which is probably the look they were going for.
But I tell you right now, they're both selling the same thing, and you're not going to hold your hand in front of either one of them.
Not for long. Oh, where's the marshmallows?
I think, to be honest, for the price difference, Logan came to visit. How you doing, Logan?
What's up?
Doing, Logan?
All right, see y'all.
I think it wound up pretty good. How about you?
Yeah. I think it done pretty
can
good.
dance.
I'm all warm and toasty. I got
Yeah.
my body feeling good.
This is a 400 square foot shop.
Yeah, give or take. It's not. It is what it is. Gets the job done.
I think, to be honest with you, looks and everything included, I believe I'd rather have those Ozark Trail.
And see, this is the biggest thing. So right now, to buy this same exact heater is $89 at Walmart.
Yep.
For the 4,000, 9,000. You spend $59 and get a better looking, and it's not made out of junk. It looks fairly good for $59.
Yep.
So I mean, if you're getting ready to stock up, or you're going hunting, or you want to buy stuff at a cheaper price while it's off season, I'd go for this.
I agree. What you think, Ron?
Save the money while you can.
Yep. Then the next figure.
We might open this box.
Yeah. The Ozark Trail Dutch oven.
Is it really made by Dutch people?
I don't know.
Don't ask me, I'm not Dutch.
There you have it, folks. That's from Cornbread, Nick, and Ronald.
Your hand was the size of my head when you pointed.
I'm sorry, I got big old hands.
And I got a little head.
Till next time, y'all have a good one. Peace.
And God bless.